The ovarian follicle, a very small cell, is however a very important body. On its own, it is responsible for fertilization. This is why it is customary to analyze what is called the ovarian reserve to count the number of follicles in particular and to determine possible causes of infertility. The ovarian follicle is, as its name suggests, a cell housed in the heart of the ovary. It contains the famous oocyte, the reproductive cell of women and without which any fertilization is therefore made impossible. Ovarian follicles appear in the female body from childhood. It is in fact considered that the little girl has several million at birth and that once puberty, she only has a little less than 500,000, divided between the two ovaries. Of these 500,000, between 300,000 and 400,000 will reach the stage of maturity, that is to say will be able to generate fertilization and therefore birth in stride. The ovarian follicle is in fact closely linked to the woman's menstrual cycle and in particular to the so-called follicular phase. This is the first phase of the menstrual cycle, which runs from day 4 to day 14 of the cycle. It is during this key period of the cycle that the ovarian follicles containing the eggs or oocytes will develop. The more there are, the more chance they have of being able to give rise to fertilization. In practice, the follicle grows and bursts to release the egg. This mature ovarian follicle is also called a Graafian follicle. During the follicular phase, hormones play a vital role. Thus, under the effect of the hormone FSH, the ovarian follicles are stimulated and accompanied in their phase of maturity. As everything starts from ovarian follicles, the study of ovarian reserve is essential to complete an infertility assessment. As we know today, several factors are taken into account in the decrease in the number of ovarian follicles. The increasing age, excessive tobacco consumption, weight-related disorders are all causes that explain the decline in the number of ovarian follicles. In case of concern, we can turn to ovarian stimulation to help the development of follicles. In case of real insufficiency of the ovarian follicles, one can aim for an oocyte donation. If polycystic ovary syndrome is revealed, then again, hormonal stimulation may help find a solution to improve the quality of ovulation.